Lylo Crafts, and I want to welcome you into our home today. You can see this is our back porch where we have our home sweet home sign and a sweet fall basket filled with flowers of the colors of the season. And as I open the door and we go on inside, the first area you're seeing is our eating area. And I am so thankful for the blessings that God has given us. I love to decorate with small little vignettes, and that's what you'll be seeing around here. And this is one of my favorite table runners that says Hello Fall. This is actually by our front door, and we've got that welcoming pumpkin as well as a sweet little scene here of a barn and some kids bobbing for apples. I love the black and white buffalo check over here and try to incorporate that in with the pumpkins. And as we hop back to our kitchen, I've got a small little bee display here in the corner. I've got on the countertops 2 displays, this one with a thrifted bowl and some wonderful pumpkins in different textures. I've got some Dollar Tree little signs over here that I zhuzhed up just a little bit. And as you see this sign, we want to welcome everybody into our home with the truck. My husband loves those trucks, and I chose these very bright, happy colors of red, orange, and cream. That's our sweet dog Buddy. So you can see that I bought some pillow covers for our existing pillows to bring those bright, happy colors in. We've got another sweet truck here on our little coffee table, and we've got these sweet lanterns that we just decorate up each year for the season with flowers or ribbons or different things. That fall sign came from Hobby Lobby several years ago, and I've just tucked in a few little fall flowers and acorns on the mantle. Now moving into our bedroom, this is our dresser with 2 little vignettes, and I love this sign because I do fall for Falling Leaves Football and My Sweet Husband again, year after year. This is my side of the nightstand, and I've got that R from a sweet friend. This is my husband's side. I tried to use a little bit more masculine colors. So that is our sweet little home. I hope that you liked it, and I wish you a very happy fall and an amazing day. Bye-bye.